I love having 2 computer monitors with split screens and dozens of browser tabs open when I dive into my family history, but I'm not always at my desk. My favorite thing about the free Ancestry mobile app is that I can use it anytime, anywhere. So if over dinner my dad asks who Grand Aunt Helen's second husband was, let me get that for you. Or if I suddenly find myself in Ohio driving past a cemetery, I can easily check to see who might be buried there, take a photo of their tombstones and upload them directly to my tree, all from the app. Or I can review Ancestry hints while sitting on my couch watching TV. I can check my new DNA matches and do bulk adds to custom groups. Or I can explore the maps that show the birth, marriage, and death places of my ancestors and dream about where I want to go on my next family history vacation. Because family history isn't just about searching and researching and analyzing every tiny detail of a census or birth record, though I do really enjoy that. It's also about remembering our ancestors, sharing their stories, and walking in their footsteps. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.